English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking. This is our class, and hello and welcome. I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu, your English professor. All right, let's get started. Nothing like coffee in the morning. All right, where are we? Let's go immediately to home. In our English 103 course, we have our Welcome to English 103, Composition and Critical Thinking, our nifty brain here turning on and off, which is very metaphorical for English 103, critical thinking. What is it? Well, we're going to learn. And we can learn what we are doing in class by clicking on FAQ here. And this is actually our first assignment. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And I'm into our first assignment. All the frequently asked questions you might have about this class. All that information is here. Okay, so I'm going to go back to our home screen and I'm going to show you how else you can be focused in class. And that's by clicking on modules here, or we can go up to the left menu and it's the second item and click on it here. Now modules is incredibly important for us because it has all of our lesson plans throughout the semester, everything we need to do. Okay, so I'm going to click on this nifty link I made, and we can see that we start with week 9. We're an 8-week course, so week 9, October 22nd to 26, 2018. Everything we have to do is listed right here in the class, and everything throughout the class is right here in weekly order. Okay, shall we get started? I think we should. Okay, once again, welcome to English 103 and my handy little PowerPoint that I created for you. The hello and welcome, I mean that very sincerely. I look forward to working with you. And again, I am Nuala Mary Linka, aka Nunu. All right, let's get started.